everyone. Beginning of the year, and very exciting beginning of the semester, very exciting for everyone. I'll be the faculty for this class for this semester, and we're going to do a lot of really cool fun stuff. Obviously this is an art class, but a technical art class where we use a tool to create some digital art. Okay, most likely. It's not to forget, because the tool can become really cumbersome and really complex and actually stop your artistic creation, alright? This is why we try to separate as much as possible the artistic creation purely, alright, which is classic art in reality, paper and pencils, alright, from the actual production with the digital tools as much as possible, alright? The only exception would be maybe Photoshop, that combine both of them, alright? That you guys need to be gurus in Photoshop. You have no way to escape it, okay? So my classes are pretty much the same online or on campus. They're composed of 5 big projects and a final project, which is the 5th one most of the time. On-campus classes have also asynchronous projects that they need to do, which is around the same amount of the 5 projects. Alright, you guys. And online students don't have asynchronous. They're always asynchronous, okay? So the project themselves is asynchronous and bigger than itself, okay? But both classes cover pretty much the same thing, online or on campus, okay? Both classes have a final test, which will be in the 5th week for the online, and at the end of the 15 weeks for the on-campus class. On-campus class has also a midterm around the 7th week. Look in the due dates of your shell, you'll see when it is, okay? When online students have a quiz every week instead of a midterm. Alright, you guys, that's one of the main differences between the online and campus classes. Okay, so that's how it works for project and quizzes. The class itself is composed mainly of lectures. Obviously, we need to know our concept very much so about what we're doing in art for digitally, but also a lot of project-based and lab to actually put in perspective and understand how works the concept, how they work in the industry, and how it actually adapts itself in the industry, because it's never really the same when you do an actual project, alright? And also we will do a lot of conclusion of both of them by looking and researching, kind of discovering things together, new technique, edge, on the edge technique that will really make your work pop up and get to a higher level, basically. Okay, and there's a lot of discussion, obviously, that we'll have. A class discussion is very important to me, and we will look at people project, basically. And a lot of people, especially in the lower division classes, are very shy about showing the project. It's very important at an early time you show your project and you take criticism properly. It doesn't mean your stuff sucks, alright? It means that something needs to be changed to be artistically better, alright? So we'll talk about that, not to take it personally and to adjust to those comments and to basically get better. My name is Arno. My actual email is aehgner@uat.edu. I'm on campus most of the time. I'm always doing projects with the students. Alright, you guys, with upper division students, I do a lot of projects. Right now I'm working on an XNA game, Xbox Live Arcade game using XNA. That is a brawler shooter type of a linear brawler type of a situation, and I will bring that in class so we get a perspective of the industry and how it works out, you guys, for us. It's very, very interesting, especially on the animation side and the graphic side, obviously. So if you have any questions, don't forget to email me. You need to look at the class rules. They're very important. There will be no cheating or plagiarism. Alright, everything that has to be an essay on a doc format needs to be done as an APA style, and you need to name that document your name, the class, and the project number. Alright, and it needs to be dropped in the proper Dropbox or you don't get the grades. So it works for project, you guys. Also, project are not accepted late past 1 week. If you're late 1 week, you get 1 letter off your grade. Then past that, it's not accepted at all, okay? Because projects actually pile on each other's, you know, I mean, they tie up to each other's to get the final thing most of the time. So that's the reason why we can't do that, or you would not be able to finalize your project, okay? That's very important for me to do, to go like that. So please respect that. The delays are all on the due date on the shells itself right there, okay? You can see it for each of your classes. Okay. Now the grading criteria are also in the shell. You can look at them. It's fairly simple. There is a fairly important aesthetic parts for art. Obviously 30% of the grades, but the rest is mainly technical. Alright, so you know, it's pretty easy to get a C if you follow and do the work properly. And then after that, you have to pop up your work so it's aesthetically nice and pleasing, basically visually, to get the rest of the grade. Alright, to get a name. Okay? That's pretty much it. I've been teaching LUAT for a very long time, and I've been working in the industry, movie industry and game industry as long as I remember as a kid. Alright, you guys? So, have a good one. I'll see you on campus, and if you have any question, please email me at aehgner@uat.edu, and see you soon. Have a good one.